Gym owners, what if I told you that you might have lost over $23,000 last year that would have been extremely easy to save? I have the equation on the whiteboard. Let me show it to you. Here's the deal. Let's say your membership costs $150 a month, and each month you lost 2 members because they were uncomfortable. They didn't tear their ACL or break their shin on a box jump. They're just uncomfortable. The gym hurts now. Well, what happens is this. Every month, 2 members cost you $150 each. So 2 members in January is $300 times 12 months, because they're gone for the next 12 months. That's $3,600 lost in one 12-month year from those 2 people. Happens again in February. 150 times 2, 300 times 11 is $3,300, because they're only gone for 11 out of those 12 months. Forget about the continuation. We're just talking about a 12-month window. Month 3, you lose 2 more. Now you're down $3,000 for the rest of the year. The math goes on. Each month, your gym is losing $300 in a compounding calculation because people are injured, uncomfortable, dealing with pain, having to modify over and over again, feeling like they're a burden on you, your coaches, and your gym in general. Don't believe me? Ask them. What happens is this. You add all of this up, and you find that if your gym costs $150 a month, and if your gym costs more, the number's actually higher than this. You've lost $23,400 in a year. What would you do to get $23,400 and happy members at the same time? What would you do? Would it be worth it for you to go through a series of assessments with all of your members to find out who is likely to become hurt? Would it be worth it for you to, after those assessments, teach your members that you can actually solve the problems that they have, so instead of this being a negative number, it ends up being a positive number? There's something that I'm not even talking about on this graph that you guys need to realize. For every 2 people who you lose, you're actually losing at least 2 to 4 more. One of them is going to be their workout buddy who comes in and trains with them every day, who calls them, hey, you going to the 5 o'clock today? Come on, man, come in. Okay, cool. And then they go to the 5 o'clock together. Well, now partner number 1 isn't going to the 5 o'clock anymore. It's only a matter of time until partner 2 is gone. So you can just about guarantee double this number. It's more like $46,000 that you might be losing. Let's compound it even further. These 2 members of yours who came together, who now no longer come, they have a friend. Their friend has been telling them that they're crazy for going to your gym forever. Those workouts are so hard. You're going to get hurt. You're going to get hurt. I'm telling you, you're going to get hurt. Come check out my place. It's way less scary than yours. So they want you to come to their place. They've been thinking about coming. They're thinking about coming to your gym. They're thinking about coming to your gym. And then boom, Frank gets hurt. Mark stops coming. Steve, the 3rd friend you've never even met, is never going to join your gym. So you can add another $23,000 to the list, and now we're up at around $69,000, $70,000 that might be walking out your door every single year simply because you're not assessing your members effectively, building appropriate modifications, and showing them that you know how to solve these problems for them before they arise. We can teach you how to do that, but you have to ask. We've done it for hundreds of gyms across the world. And I know what you're thinking right now. This doesn't happen at my gym. No one gets hurt at my gym. Okay, then you're not a good fit for us. I'll be straight up with you. You're probably wrong, but you're not a good fit for us. So here's a challenge that I'm putting out to everybody. Go ahead and start giving your members an exit survey when they leave your gym. Ask them why they're leaving. Not sure how to build an exit survey? No problem. We'll provide you with one. Just go ahead, shoot us a quick DM, shoot us an email, shoot us a message, whatever you need to do to reach out, throw smoke signals up. We will give you a free exit survey that you can give to your members every single month to find out if they're leaving because they're hurt or uncomfortable or in pain. And what you're going to find out, because hundreds of other gyms just like you have already found this out, is that you're losing tens of thousands of dollars a year to members who are dealing with discomfort, who are feeling like a burden on you, your coaches, and your membership. And you can plug that hole with a quick and easy solution that we can teach you how to do. Just got to be ready to turn pro. See you on the other side.